These are the best things to do at Disney's Blizzard Beach this summer. Number 1, Summit Plummet. It is pure fun and it's only for the brave of those out there. Number 2 is the mini donut. A lot of people don't know about this, but they are so good. Number 3 is the lazy river. This is my type of vibe at a water park. Number 4 is to grab some nachos. They're a great snack in between all of those fun watery thrills. Number 5 is to chill in the wave pool. Again, my type of vibe. Number 6 is to go mini golfing. This is something cool that you can do right outside the gate. Number 7, get on the ski lifts. They are so cool and a great way to see the park from above. Be sure to go shopping while you're there and leave your favorite things to do at Blizzard Beach below.